Hi, Jeff Simon here at the Bose Aviation booth with Chris Werfel, the Business Development Manager here at Bose Aviation. How are you doing, Chris?
I'm doing well, Jeff. Nice to meet you.
You have some very cool things going on here, and I will say I'm a big fan of Bose A30 headset.
Awesome.
It's cool. We flew with Bose A20s for many years,
Yep.
and now you've upgraded to something that promises even more to come because of its modularity and its new features and its kind of digital aspect of it.
Exactly.
Tell me a little bit about this platform and what it means now and what it's going to mean to pilots in the future.
Well, what's wonderful, first of all, it's fun to be here, Sun and Fun 2024. The anniversary, it was the A30 is a year old now, and we've seen just great response over the past year. And yeah, one of the nice things about it is we've continued to build on the headset itself, on the A20, like the quietness, the comfort, the quality of the audio, and then add some other features to it. So, as you mentioned, the A20 was an analog platform. This is a digital platform. So now it's sort of forward thinking. We can expand on the headset if we dream up some other things in the future or need to make some tweaks to the headset. And then it has some other features. There's 3 modes of noise cancellation, as well as a tap control feature.
Oh, yeah.
So you can hear, if you need to speak with somebody outside of the headset, you can do that. Outside of the intercom, you can have that conversation with somebody.
Yeah,
So a lot of really neat features.
I like that, one of the things is, of course, the A20 was very, very good when it came to noise cancellation, and it was extremely comfortable. But comfort's an area that with the A30 you've moved up and increased by lightening the weight and the clamping force.
Exactly.
More than anything on the headset. I've noticed that. That's been a real noticeable thing. Tell me a little bit about that.
So, and people ask us about that all the time. I mean, everybody's looking, obviously, for the most comfortable headset they can wear, especially when they're flying for 3, 4, 6, 10 hours at a time. So what we've done is the headset is slightly lighter. It's about 4 ounces lighter than the A20, but it has 20% less clamping force.
Okay.
And what that does is when you wear the headset, it feels much lighter than even the A20 or other headsets on the market. So it's just, you're able to wear it for a longer period of time.
Yeah.
But we still are able to deliver on the comfort. I'm not on the comfort, but also the quality of the audio, the noise cancellation, and then some of the other features.
Music, of course, which Bose is known for.
Yep.
And I want to say to everybody out there who is either here at Sun and Fun, unable to make it to the show here in Sun and Fun, and time is ticking on this, but as you know, Bose is all about sound and music, and this Bose SoundLink Bluetooth micro Bluetooth headset,
that's it.
Bluetooth speaker is available if you purchase an A30 headset. You're getting one of these, but you have to do it by May 4th, which is easy to remember, right? May the 4th.
There we go. Yeah,
right? Which everybody
May the 4th
knows,
be with you.
May the 4th. And so you have to make sure that that you do that in time. But
we're excited about it.
These are very, very cool.
They're great sounding little speakers. People love them.
Absolutely. Well, I just want to say thanks again. I mean, Bose is a strong supporter of SocialFlight. You've done so much for general aviation with the products that you've created and continue to do so for there and for the airline market with your ProLink.
ProFlight,
ProFlight, too. That is just a fantastic headset as well.
Yeah, well, thank you. No, we love being part of the community, so it's great.
Excellent. Well, have a great show.
Thanks, Jeff.
And I appreciate it.
Yeah.
For Sun and Fun 2024, I'm Jeff Simon for SocialFlight. Blue skies.